Good morning, students. In last period, we have studied that 10th and 1000, 10th and 100, isn't it? Now today we will study what? 1000, 1000th. Now decimal, here open your textbook, page number 320, 1000 given, isn't it? Here diagram also given. From this, in this diagram, there are 1000 equal parts. So out of 1000 equal part, one part is shaded. So the required fraction will be 1 by 1000. Now decimal form of 1 by 1000 can be written as how? It is given in fraction. We have to write in now decimal. So here which number present? 1. So write 1 as it is. How many zeros present here? 1, 2, 3. So put 3 zeros before 1. Which side? Left side. How many zeros? 3. 1, 2, 3. Understood now? Now here 3 0 in denominator. So leave 3 number from the right side. 1, 2, 3. And put here what? Point. So the decimal form of 1 by 1000, 1000th is 0.001. And how to read? It is read as 0.001. 0, 0, 1. It is read as. Understood? 0.001. Now here given how you will read the following. 0.001. That only spelling we have tried. 0.001. 0.001. Now here how to read? 0.002. 0.002. Now how to read this one? 0.0. Don't read 60. It is wrong. 0.016. 0.016. 0.016. Understood? 0.016. So in this way we can, if it is given in decimal, we can write in words also. So note down this one. Example second, express the following fractions as decimal. Express the following fraction as decimal. For example, this fraction given 2 by 100, B 2 by 1000 given A, B 52 by 1000, C 16 by 1000, D 126 by 1000, E 231 by 1000. This is actually mixed fraction, isn't it? Yup, 6 221 by 1000 and G 19 12 by 1000. So total example how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 examples are there. Now one by one we will solve that one. Express the following as what it is given. Express the following fractions as decimal. Now as it is. Now what numerator which number written here? 2. So write 2. How many zeros present here? Here in 1000 how many zeros? 3 0. So put 3 0 on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 zeros are there. So that's why leave 3 number. 1, 2, 3 and put what? Comma. Put what? What we have to put? Point. Leave 3 number and put point. So 0.002. Understood? 0.002. Same way here also. Write 52 as it is. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So put 3 zeros. 1, 2 and 3. Now how many number we have to leave? 3 number. 1, 2, 3. And put here point. Understood? This 0 has no value. If you want to cut, you can cut that. Means 0.052. Now 16 by 1000 means again 16. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Put left side. 1, 2, 3. Now how many number we have to leave? 3 number. 1, 2, 3. Put here point. Understood? How to read? 0.016. Understood this one? Now this D example. 126 divided by 1000. So write 126 as it is. 3 zeros. Left side 1, 2, 3. Now how many number we have to leave? 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So here you will get point. This 2 0 has no value. So if you want to cut, you can get 0.126. Now this number E example 1, 231 by 1000. This is mixed number, isn't it? So what we have to do? 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000 plus 231. Mixed number formula. A, B by C, isn't it like that? D whole divided by what? 1000. Whole divided by what? 1000. Understood? Now 1 into 1000, 1000. 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 231 divided by 1000. Divided by what? 1000. Okay. Now equal to you are not getting sufficient place. I will solve this example afterward. First you up to D you write. Here not getting sufficient place, that's why up to D. Understood this? First, second, third, fourth. Fourth example A, B, C, D. So note down this one. This question first. Now look at how this is mixed number. How to solve this? How to convert into decimal? This is actual fraction. The name of the fraction is mixed fraction. Okay. 1 into 1000. What we have to do? 1 into 1000. Cross multiplication plus 231. 231 whole divided by what? 1000. Whole divided by 1000. Okay. Now 1 into 1000. 1000 only, isn't it? If we are multiplying any number by 1, we get that number itself. Now plus 231. 231 whole divided by what? 1000. Okay, understood this one? Now 1000 plus 231. 1000 plus 231. How much? 1321. 1 means 1231. 1231 divided by what? 1000. Or now convert into decimal. Now how many zeros are present here? Look at in 1000, 30. Write this number as it is 1, 2, 3, 1. So how many? 1, 2, 3. So leave 3 number from the right side. 1, 2, 3 and put what? Point, decimal point. So 1.231. 1.231 is the answer. Understood? Now next, second example. Next, example. 621. 6221. 6221 divided by 1000. Like that given, isn't it? Now here also same thing. What we have to do? 6 into 1000 plus 221 whole divided by what? 1000 equal to 6 into 1000, 6000. Okay. Plus 221 whole divided by 1000. Understood this one? Now next step, 6000 plus 221 means 6221 divided by what? 1000. Now write this number as it is 6221. How many? In denominator 1000 is given and in 1000 3 zeros are here. So leave 3 number from the right side, 1, 2, 3 and put decimal point. So 6.221. Understood? Now last one, 1912 by 1000. Here also like that. Step 19 into 1000 plus 12 whole divided by 1000. Okay. Now 19 into 1000, 19,000. 19,000 plus 12 whole divided by 1000. Okay. Now 19,000 plus 12. 19,000 12 will get 19,000 what? 12 whole divided by 1000. Now you have to write in decimal. Okay, this 1000. Write this number as it is 19012. Okay, now 1000. So that's why leave 3 number 1, 2, 3 and put what? Point. So your answer will be 19.012. Understood? So in this way we can do cross multiplication and find the answer. So note down this one. The third example looked at, express the following decimals as fraction or mixed fraction. Example A 0.007, B 2.119, C 24.007, D 6.351 and E 18.021. Okay, now we have to it is given in decimal. We have to express it in fraction, otherwise mixed fraction. Okay, now look at 0.007. How to write in now fraction? Which number lived at 0? Which number is here? 7. So write that 7 as it is by. Before how many number point? 1, 2, 3. So 7 by. So write here 1000. Why 1000? Because before 3 number point is there. That's why. 7 by 1000. So we have converted into fraction. Now next 2.119. So first of all you have to split into two parts. 2 plus 0.009. I can write like this 0.119. Understood this step? 2 here point is given. That's why 2 plus 0.119. Okay. Now 2 plus. Now write this number, this decimal into fraction. Okay. 119. Right here 190 divided by how many number before point? 3. So 1000. 2 plus 190 by 1000. Now what we have to do? We have to remove this plus sign. 2 119 by what? 1000. 2 119 by what? 1000. Understood this one? Just you have to split. 2 plus 0.119. 2 plus 0.119 means 119 by 1000. Why 1000? Because before 3 number point is there. Okay. Now remove this plus sign. 2 119 by 1000. Now next example 24.007. Here also same thing. What we have to split into two parts. 24 plus 0.007. Understood this step? 24 plus 0.007. Okay. Now we will write here. I will write here that answer here. 24 plus 0.007 means 24 plus. Now write this decimal into fraction. 0.007 means 7 by how much? 1000. 7 by 1000. Now remove this plus sign. 24 7 by 1000. So mixed number. We have converted into mixed number. These are mixed number. Here we got in fraction. So that's why express as following decimal as fraction or mixed fraction. So understood this? A, B, C, C over. Now again D and E left. So note down this one. Now D example 6.351. So write this 6 plus, split into two parts. 6 plus 0.0 means 0.351. This step understood this one. Then next step 6 plus 0.351 means write this number 351 by how many number before point? 3. So 1000. Now remove this plus sign. 6 351 by 1000. So our answer. Like that we have to do. Now here next 18.021 means 18 plus 0.021. ये पॉइंट के पहले हम 0 डाल सकते हैं. 0.021. ओके. नाउ 18 प्लस फॉरगेट अबाउट पॉइंट, यानी सिर्फ नंबर लिखना है. 21 बाय 1 2 3 3 नंबर के पहले पॉइंट है इसलिए 1000 बाय व्हाट? 1000. नाउ रिमूव दिस प्लस साइन. 18 21 बाय 1000. So we have converted into mixed number. So note down this. Now homework textbook page number 322. Open your textbook page number 322. Let us practice 4.4. How many example total? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 examples are given. Already I explained like that. Now first example. How will you read the following? How will you read 0.237? Just we have to write the spelling. Second example. Diagram is given. Write the decimal for the shaded part in each figure. Here 1000 equal parts are given. Out of 1000 equal parts, how many parts were shaded? I think that 1, 2, 3, 5. So the required fraction will be 5 by 1000. Now write this 5 by 1000 into decimal. So write 5, 3 number before, 1, 2, 3. Now point. 1, 2, 3. 3 number छोटी point. 1, 2, 3. So you will get here. Leave 3 number and put point. 0.005 like that. Okay, just you have to, if you want to take this photocopy, इसकी जेरोक्स लेके हम तो तुम टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं नोटबुक में. अगर डायग्राम उतना निकालना नहीं तो, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में दिया है डेसिमल में लिखना है. यहाँ पर भी वैसा है. बी में फ्रैक्शन लिखो पहले, फ्रैक्शन लिखने के बाद उसको डेसिमल में एक्सप्रेस. थर्ड एग्जांपल, दिस फ्रैक्शंस एज डेसिमल 8 by 1000. सो 0.008 इसके जैसा, जैसे 5 by 1000 आया 0.005, उसी ढंग से 8 by 1000 में 0.008 आएगा वहां. नाउ फोर्थ एग्जांपल, एक्सप्रेस दिस डेसिमल्स हैज फ्रैक्शंस और मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. अभी मैंने 5-6 एग्जांपल करके दिया वैसा. 0.007 ये तो करके दिया यानी 7 by 1000. 3.062 यानी 3 plus 0.062, 3 plus 62 by 1000 आएगा, फिर 362 by 1000 ऐसा, यानी उसको सॉल्व करना है. सो ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड what? 4. Remaining things we will study in next period. Okay.